If Mr. Mnangagwa wants to claim any veil of legitimacy, he must allow Zimbabwe to have a free and fair election, which in turn will allow our people to freely express their will. In conclusion, we heard that ZEC was saying they delayed the printing of ballot papers because of court cases that were brought about, not just by the leCCC, but by other parties. We want to put on record that we should not have gone to court in the first place if ZEC had been doing things properly. The fact that people were going to court over commonsensical processes is in itself a great cause for concern. We would not have gone to court if ZEC had done things properly. But the paradox is that if we had not gone to court, it would have been worse. So ZEC must stop making flimsy excuses. They had 5 years to prepare for this election. We gave them a benefit of doubt. Unfortunately, they failed the test. We are also seeing a concern on some of the figures we are receiving on the ground. For example, some of the delimitation anomalies are the fact that we are supposed to have at least between 22,000 and 33,000 per constituency. I'm told that in Mbare, more than 43,000 voted. It means, therefore, that between February and the closure of the registration process, a curious 12,000 additional voters registered. It's a red flag. It's also prevalent in Churu and in other areas.